Hey everyone, Mike Buenaventura here with the Archambault Buenaventura Team, and I finally found some time. I've been meaning to do this for a week or two now to unbox some awards. Our team accomplished some amazing things in 2024, and we were recognized for a lot of those things. Some very important awards in there. I mean, they're all amazing. Some big ones too. So I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to unbox them. All right, so here's where we're going to do the unboxing. Hopefully you can see at least this area. I'll be out of the frame just opening stuff up, and excited about all of them. They're all different shapes and sizes. Let's start with the plastic certificates. Okay, so this is probably the most important one. This is the one that we feel the best about in terms of achieving. So it's the Century 21 Golden Heart Award, and the Golden Heart Award goes to anyone, individual, that raises a minimum of $2,100 towards Easter seals. And I don't even, know what Jeff and Reagan have contributed over the years. They have been pioneers and philanthropists in this department, and essentially got me going into it as well. So very grateful for that. Who else has one here? There's another one here, and Blair. So that's Jeff, Reagan, myself, and Blair with the Golden Heart Award. I got spaces for all of these, and I'll show you what those look like after. There's another one here. So this one's from Century 21. All right, so this is a letter. This is a letter to each one of the team members. This is pretty awesome. Okay, I'll read mine. Dear Mike Buenaventura, we are honored to congratulate your team for earning the coveted 2024 Century 21 Grand Centurion Award. So this award is a pinnacle of excellence earned by only an elite group of Century 21 at Century 21. Elite gets thrown around a lot. I come from the hockey world, elite spring teams, elite AAA teams, elite softball teams for my daughter. So that name, that descriptive word gets thrown around a lot. This award actually honors the elite. This is super exciting. Wait till you see the award. Top 21. So our team was number 8 team by units in Canada. Think of how big Canada is. Think of all the metropolises. Think of all the amazing real estate teams in the big centers of Canada are, and we were number 8, so pretty awesome. And then here's individual certificates for the Grand Centurion for each one of the team members. So started with one of the biggest awards, but wait till you see the trophy. We'll go with some others first. Oh wow, okay, so this is each one of us gets one of these boxes. To be fair, let's open up mine. Look at this thing. Oh, wow. So, Grand Centurion pin. That's pretty cool. Oh, and it's magnetic. Right on. So, Grand Centurion pin, just to recognize give yourself some recognition, whether you're out showing homes or you're at a conference. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty awesome. This boxing is unbelievable. That's why I wanted to do a video. There's another recognition from Century 21. Proudly recognizes Archambault Buenaventura Team 2024 number 8 team by units in Canada. We've always done well with this ranking, I would say, or placement. This is the highest, and we certainly don't plan on stopping there. So again, thank you to all of our team members, of course, but specifically our clients and our friends and family that support us in all of this. For the last one, I told you guys, for those of you that stuck around waiting, I'm glad you did, because this is the creme de la creme. This is what I've been waiting to open. I haven't seen it yet. I've seen some of them, but this is the first time I've had one in my possession, I would say. Did I open this the wrong way? Here we go. Look at the foam on this thing. It's like I could put soundproofing here. Oh man, look at this. It's heavy, I'll tell you that. Okay, you know it's a big deal when they give you your own cleaning cloth. Shine this up for you guys before I put it up to the camera. Put your sunglasses on. 2024 Grand Centurion Team, Archambault Buenaventura. I mean, it's awesome. Look at this thing. Look at it compared to my head, right? So again, thank you very much to friends and family. Honestly, I was gonna unbox. I couldn't wait to unbox these myself, but we've been busy, and I figured, you know what, I wanted to share this on social media because a lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into this last year, and we're only getting better at it. So looking forward to repeating this. There is no higher award in Century 21 as this. We just, again, looking to increase that ranking from number 8 in Canada to top 5. That would be awesome. So again, thanks for watching. Those of you stuck around. I mean, even the base is like a hard stone, like almost like a granite or a marble or something. This is awesome. Thanks again, Century 21 Canada, for the recognition. Thanks to the team, Jeff, Reagan, Blair, Alexis, Eric, now Abby as well, my wife Brenna, for again supporting us in what we do here. And yeah, if you want the #1 Century 21 team in Manitoba to help you out with real estate, hit us up in the DMs. Thanks, guys.